okay, their grandmother, their grandfather are gonna be on the deathbed in some time, and they can actually make their experience much better once they read this book. Hello there, this is Piyusha, and today we are talking about this book, Death, an Inside Story by Sadhguru. This is one of the craziest book I have read. I know I say it for all the books, but all the books are crazy. This book is one of a kind. You wouldn't have even heard of anybody actually writing about death, apart from doctors. This book takes you through the entire process of death, how you die, what happens after your death, and how exactly you can make death a very graceful experience for yourself or somebody who was close to you, and how you can make their experience of death much better. This book is divided into three parts. So the first part is all about the technicalities of death. Now the technicalities are not in terms of the medical stuff. So there's no medical stuff involved in this book. It's only the general thing that actually happens to the body. So it's mostly in the terms of yogic lore. The second aspect of the book talks about how you can help people who are dying, how you can help yourself when you're dying, what are the best thing to do when somebody is dying, and what exactly you should do to make sure that they feel good when they are dying. This book also talks about the science behind the rituals that happens in India, whether it's cremation, burying, or anything for that matter. It talks about why it should happen, why only after 14 days certain aspects of the body is being handled. So it talks about all the scientific reasons behind it and the yogic reasons behind it. Third aspect, the most interesting aspect, is when he talks about the afterlife. What happens in the afterlife? He talks about ghosts. He talks about why ghost actually lingers around and what we can do about it. What exactly should be the course of action, and what exactly you can do while you are alive. So make sure that after your death, you are still a blissful person. He's spoken about his past life also. I don't know how much is that true, but you just cannot say, no, it's not true. We don't know actually whether it's true or not. So it's interesting to actually know if somebody can talk in terms of that. Why I said this book is outstanding is because it talks about a taboo, which is death. Here in India specifically, what happens is no child or anybody in the house is not allowed to talk about death at all. If you don't talk about death, it will not happen. It is not the case. Everybody will die. This taboo has to be broken. People have to talk about it, because if somebody is dying and you can actually help them die better, that can only happen once you know what exactly happens when you're dying. So this book will come in handy for people who know that, okay, their grandmother, their grandfather are gonna be on the deathbed in some time, and they can actually make their experience much better once they read this book. You definitely should read this book for yourself, if not for anybody, because obviously you will die too. I am looking in your eyes and telling you that you will die too, and you should die a graceful death. If I have to rate the content of the book, I will rate it 10 by 10. Why? Because there is no other book that is like this. Definitely there might be some medical books who talks about the medicality of the death, but this book talks about what happens to the body. Overall, I rate this book 9.8 out of 10. It felt a little boring for around 30-35 pages in the middle of the book, but after that it picks up real crazy. 0.2 marks is cut for just that, but actually I can give that away because this is a hell of a book. Definitely check this out. And let me know what do you feel about this book, because a lot of people have asked me actually to review this book on Instagram. So I'm going to put this on Instagram as well. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Till then, keep reading more.